Hey guys, it's Delinda, aka Mooney, aka Mooney's Big Diary, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be reviewing a straight wig, and I'm going to be cutting bangs into it and just installing it and then letting you guys know what the hair quality is. To be completely honest, I've been holding on to this wig for like a very long time. I've had it for like 2 months now without opening the package, so I'm gonna have to go back into my old messages and my email and stuff to see if I could find the name of the company that sent me the wig, but everything will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, to leave a thumbs up, and I really appreciate all your comments and all the love that you guys have given this channel in the past couple of months. So this is the wig, and it is 22 inches, and this is the texture so far. I'm running my fingers through it. I want you guys to see. I want to get as close as possible so you guys can see the color. As you can see, it's a natural brown, like it's not like, you know, jet black or anything. So if you want it any darker than this, you're gonna have to dye it yourself. And I'll also let you know, oh, this is a 360 wig. I have never had a 360 full lace wig in my life. I just noticed that it's a whole 360 wig, which is so unfortunate because I'm about to cut bangs into it because I wanted it for bangs. I didn't really want it for anything else. I am not gonna bleach this wig. I'm not good at doing hair like that. The only thing I've been doing decent lately is cutting bangs, and that's decent. So I'm not gonna sit here and try to bleach nothing or like dye nothing or plug nothing. I'm not doing any of that. We're gonna install it as it is. I have a mannequin head. It's so old that the logo isn't even there anymore. All I can read out is brown. My wig cap is dark, so if I were you, I would get, especially if you're my skin tone, I would get a wig cap that's like on the darker side. I like my wig caps matching my skin tone. On Amazon, I had ordered a couple of things. I'll also be leaving the products on my Amazon storefront in the hair category. So if y'all are interested in the stuff I got, let me know. But basically, it looks like this. Wig install essentials basically, and I also have rat tail comb, which is really important because this is the first time I've ever had a rat tail comb. When I'm cutting my hair, I could just tie this over, and I really do not like when hair gets on me either, so this is like really like essential. I promise you, I paid around like $13 for all this stuff together, so I would definitely go cop. If you see this, I look like a lawyer, I look like I'm going to church, I look like I'm in the choir. Now we're going to put the wig on my head so we can measure what it's going to look like, so we can measure what we're working with. So I am not going to make my bangs thick. My bangs are going to be on the thinner side because in my opinion, thinner is more natural. I'm trying to go for a more natural look. The thing about 360 wigs that I don't like, I don't know how to center the wig, but I'm seeing a parting over here, so maybe this is where the parting was always going to be, but this is how long the wig is on me. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut layers into it. I'm really not sure. At the end of the day, I just really want bangs. I don't want nothing to be crooked, and I know it shouldn't matter because, you know, so these are one of the scissors that I received. I'm gonna like cut around it basically. Okay guys, so I had to go install the wig. It's not installed yet. I just put some glue in the middle because I don't want to install the entire wig. I've always been a wig on, wig off type of girl, so I'm not going to be installing the entire wig. All I'm going to do is glue down the front over here, tie it down, and then once it's sticky enough, I can go ahead and make my bangs basically. But yeah, this hair was really easy to apply. I'm not gonna lie, I really messed with it. I feel like it's very beginner friendly, especially like if you've never dealt with hair before. I would definitely go with this wig, especially if you want to, you know, practice on something. Okay guys, so I cut out my thin ass bangs, and now I'm gonna use a flat iron to, like, you know, curl it. Hey guys, So as you can see, I got the look that I wanted to achieve. I'm still curling my hair because I do want to add more volume to this wig. I'm not sure what the density was. Let me check. I think it says 150 density over here. Yeah, it's 150 density. But I honestly feel like it could be a little bit more voluminous because I'm trying to curl it and the curls are falling. I'm not sure if that's a curling iron thing or if that's a me thing. The reason I was not recording is because you hear that? Yeah, that's my bathroom and it's very loud and I do not want to be yelling at the camera because I'm not doing it in my room. I'm doing it in the bathroom so the hair could get on the bathroom floor, not my carpet. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? At this point, I might as well just bring it on for the ride and just mute this part because I had gotten some spritz in my mouth and that was very annoying, but we're back And this is the finished look, so I'm gonna take off this thing because I don't think I need it anymore. I honestly think I did better than I expected. The curls I was not expecting. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't gonna do curls at first, but the straight hair by itself looked mad plain, so I was like, you know what, let me just, you know, fluff this up and add some spice or something. But remember how I told you it couldn't curl? So that was not the hair that couldn't curl, it was really, I have a whole bunch of like mini, like little pieces of hair like fly away in my actual eyeball. But this is like the finished look, so like let me know what y'all think. My eyes are bothering me so badly. Honestly, if I had to rate it, I rate it like maybe like a 7. Like, I don't really like it completely. I honestly don't think it fits me that well, but that's just me though. Like, that's just like what I think. If y'all think it fits me, like, let me know in the comments. And if there's anything you guys think I should change to like make it, you know, look a little bit better, just let me know down in the comments so I could respond to y'all. That's it for today's video. Remember, the hair company and all that stuff, this isn't even really a sponsorship video. This is me really just reviewing a wig from like, you know, a while back that I never got to like, you know, get to and stuff. The wig company will be linked down below. The wig will be linked down below. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope I get to see you next time. Bye.